Good morning to all. My name is Vikram Nirgatti and I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Chittoor. In this video, I would like to discuss about strings in the language of the Python. And the content which I would like to discuss in this video is what are the sequences, len function, traversing with a for loop, string slicers, and strings are immutable, searching, looping and counting, string methods, in operator, string comparison. By completing all this video, you should be able to know clearly about these concepts. Sequence types. There are 6 sequence types. One is a string, second one is the Unicode string, third one is the list, fourth one is the tuples, fifth one is the buffers, and sixth one is the X-range objects. These are the sequence types where the data can be stored in the sequence way with indexing. In this video, we will discuss about the strings particularly. So before going to this len function, first let me clear about what is a string. A string is a sequence. Sequence of what? Sequence of numbers, or sequence of alphabets, or sequence of combination of alphabets and characters. But when we call this as a string means this should be in between double quotations or single quotations. Then only we can call this as a string. So here the A is a string and B is a string and C is a string, because A is in the double quotates, B is in the single quotates, C is in the double quotates. So string should be within the quotates, single quotates or double quotates. Then only we can call that particular sequence as a strings. So how this len function is useful for the strings means to calculate the length of the string. For example, if you give as len of A, the output will be 1, 2, 3. Because the length of the string A is 3. Similarly, the length of the string B also 3. Whereas coming to the length of the string C, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the way we can able to calculate the length of the string. You can check in the examples which I have given already in the PPT. I have declared 2 strings, N and the Nani, and I have printed the 2 strings, and I calculated the length of the string A and length of the string B and stored in D and G. In such a way we can find the length of the string. And here I also declared the list. This len function can also used for strings, tuples as well. That's why I have used here list. Apart from the strings, the length function is also useful to find the length of the tuple and length of the list. I'm going to next traversal with the for loop. What is a traversal? For example, a string consists of Nani is learning Python. So what is a traversal? Traversal means going to each and every character in the string is called a traversing. So how we can go to each and every character in the string means one of the ways with the help of the loop. So the output of this one will be like n, it's reaching the character n, then a, then n, then I, then space, then I, then s, then space, then L, E, A, R, N, N, G, space, Pi, Py, Th, On. If you see here, each and every character is reaching with the help of this program. That's called the traversal. Within a string, each and every character should go through the each. That's called as a traversal. So traversing can be done with the help of looping, one of the method. So just first it going to the n, reading the n. You should read each and every element, reading the each and we can say in different words like reading the each and every element in the string, each and every character in the string. So first I am reading n and I am printing that one. Again I am reading a and printing that one. Thus is the traversal with a loop. And then go for string slices. Slicing means breaking the string into the pieces. We can call the pieces as substrings. So with the help of this slicing operator, we can create the substrings. For example, here the string is Nani is good. I want to make a substring as Nani. I can do it with the help of slicing. And is, yes. Good, yes. So actually this all thing is in the C, but I am breaking these things into three pieces. One piece may be in the D, or other piece may be in the E, some other piece may be in the F. This is a slicing operator, dividing the whole string into pieces of the string. Substring of the string is called a slicing operator. The slicing can be done with the help of the index. In the strings also, index will start from 0. So here the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the space, 5, 6, 7 is the space, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if you want to break this one, then we can call as the name of the whole string is C. So C of 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 to 4, and this one will be as 0 to 5 to 7, sorry 5 to, and this one will be like 8 to 12. So in this way we can able to break the whole string into substrings by using the slicing operators. And next topic is strings are immutable. Immutable means we can't modify it out. We cannot modify. Immutable means unchangeable. Strings one we declare we cannot change. That's the thing. Whereas the list is immutable. Tuple as well unchangeable, immutable. We cannot able to change. For example, Nani is good. We can't able to change it out. Nani is good. That's it. If you try to use the C of 6 of D, it is unchangeable. C of try to 4 unchangeable. We can't able to change it out. Changeable means mutable. List we can mutable. First time the list is 5, 6 and the second 7. I am performing here the mutable operation. Now I am changing the index 2. Index will be 0, 1, 2. So after using the thing, now v will become 5, 6 and 4 because the 2 value is 4 here. That's the difference between mutable and immutable. So here the strings are immutable. We can't able to change the strings. Searching. Previously we have seen the traversing. With the help of this also we can able to search the element. And apart from this we have one built-in function called find. With the help of the find we can able to search it out. Find gives two inputs. One is the -1 and other one is the position. -1 if it is not found. The element is not found which you trying to find. Then the output will be -1. If it is found, then it returns the position within the string. Here I have the string. I am searching for the string is. Is presenting here. So here the output will be position. Whereas I am trying to find Sonali. Here string is not there. Output will be -1. Like this, I can able to search the element in a string with the help of the already existing method find. So find has only two things. One is the -1 and other one is the starting position. Like this I can able to find the substrings in a string. I would like to end here in this video, and remaining topics I would like to discuss in the second video. If you don't understand at once, please again and again you try to listen the videos. If you have any queries or doubts, please leave the comments. And to get updates, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.